In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram Restyle something went wrong error. So first thing that you need to ensure is that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi connection. Next thing that you have to do is simply click and hold on to Instagram icon. Then click on more features. Then go to app info. From here click on force stop. Then confirm it. Then go to storage uses. Here you will see clear cache written in bright red. Click on it. Once your cache is clear, you can try relaunching Instagram. Or what you can do is open up Play Store. In the search bar, search for Instagram. From here, check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. But if your app is already on the latest version and it is still not working, then what you can do is simply click and hold on to Instagram icon. Click on uninstall. Confirm it. And once the app is uninstalled, download it again from the Play Store. Any problem should be solved now. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.